mostly wind and stuff like that. Wow! What a major discovery! How come I didn't do it before? Duh! NASA! All this time, we had audio for the past 100 years, 30 years or more. We didn't do it before.